Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be making gingerbread cookies with my kids. As you can see, here are our pretty festive cookies. Yeah, my kids put a little bit of everything on the cookies, but it's fine because we had fun. If you would like to see how we made our gingerbread cookies, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And let me know if you and your kids or your family are making gingerbread cookies or a gingerbread house. What are you guys doing during the holidays? So guys, continue watching.
So now we're going to mix the ingredients together. Put in 1 stick of butter. 1/4 cup of brown sugar.
We're going to mix the brown sugar with the butter. We're going to mix this together to make cream.
Now we're going to add in 1 egg. 1/3 cup dark molasses.
And if you don't want your molasses to stick to the cup, it's best that you add vegetable oil, like cooking spray, so it doesn't stick. Now we're going to add in the spices. I have 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon ground ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So that is all the spices and the flavor for the gingerbread cookies. So now I'm going to mix this up. We're going to add in 1/3/4 cup of flour. And now you're going to mix that together. Alright, so I'm done mixing. And I thought I had saran wrap, but I don't. So I'm going to roll the dough until my homemade saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for an hour to get hard, so it can harden. My helpers ran off on me because it's snowing here in New York, so they're outside on the balcony in the snow. So much for helping me, right? Guys, your dough should look thick like this. And I must say, it does smell good. I've never made gingerbread cookies before. And I like to do this stuff for my kids. So guys, this video is going to be on my channel. And it's going to be on my kids' channel. I'm going to leave their channel on somewhere on the clip. So be sure to subscribe to their channel and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Give their video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. lavishLooks_ by Kiki. And yeah, let's be friends. If you guys make this, follow this recipe and make this with your kids, leave a comment. Let me know how they came out. Did your kids enjoy making them? you know, it's something fun to do. It's COVID. We can't do much, so might as well bake with the kids, right? Alright, so should look like this. Gonna put it in a bowl. I told you I'm doing this the ghetto way.
Why are you doing this the ghetto way?
Because I didn't have saran. So look, I'm doing it like this. Gonna put this in the refrigerator for an hour and then gonna bring it out and I'll show you the rest in a few minutes. I put the dough in the freezer for about a good hour. So I'm gonna sprinkle some flour so we don't have any sticking.
I know you're starting. I'm being mad.
So you wanna roll out
It sticked.
to make it flat.
Oh, now it's working. Is that good enough? Alright, now it's working.
This rolling stuff was a little difficult. So we have our different cookie cutters. We have the tree, snowman, snowflake, gingerbread, star, candy cane, stocking, reindeer, snowflake. So we're gonna press them in, see what we get out of it, and go from there.
Cookies.
So we did the cookies, we pulled them all out. We actually still have more dough. We have no more space on our cookie sheet, so now we're gonna put them in the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna take them out, let them cool off for about a good 30 minutes, and then we're gonna decorate them. So we'll be back in a few. Okay, so we took out cookies out. And they cool down for about a good 30 minutes to make sure they're cool enough for the icing to go on. So here's our tray with the icings. We have white icing, red, green, blue, yellow, and some little sprinkles and decorations to put on it. So we're going to decorate. If I can open this. We're going to decorate our cookies and then eat them up. So, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, here's our finishing touch. We've decorated our cookies. How beautiful are they? This is what happens when you're doing cookies with little boys. They just throw stuff together, but they still came out cute. It was fun to do. Perfect for today's weather because it is snowing here in New York. They're actually outside now plowing the parking lot. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, you already know the drill. Be safe, be happy, and be blessed. Happy holidays, guys.
Peace.
Do you guys like our pajamas? Look, we're festive. King, come here. I have on Frozen pajamas, and it has a hood on the back. Shahad has on Santa Claus pajamas. And his come with a hood. And King has on the black Santa from Old Navy. Looking nice and warm. We are the
warm family?
The cool family with the pajamas. Alright, Hot. Let's eat this cookie. King doesn't eat these things. So I'm going to bend down.
He made his, so.
Which one you eating?
This one. Because I don't want to get my hands dirty that much. Just throw it away. Oh my. Let's go, guys.
I'm going to eat my girl.
But not the girl. Eat the boy. Why the full boys?
My gingerbread girl.
Ginger girl. Ginger girl. Huh? You want to go out there? You said?
They're good.
Okay.
They're nice and soft. Because I don't like hard cookies at all.
I'm moving, Mom.
Do the good. Oh, you need some hot cocoa?
No, no.
Because I love me some hot cocoa.
Oh,
And you're good to go. You guys better make you some gingerbread cookies. Bye, guys.